Hey everybody, just wanted to say that here in Atlanta things are starting to get kind of cold, so winter time is upon us here. So what you need to do as a vehicle owner is, one, check your tire pressures, make sure your tires are still at their proper pressure settings, because cold air gets more dense, so you might lose a little bit of tire pressure. Number two, if you haven't had a coolant flush in a while, look into getting that done, because coolant is important. The colder the weather is, the better the coolant needs to be in the car. Number three, check your wiper blades. Make sure that they're not just worn out completely, because if it gets kind of frosty out, you want to have good blades. Four, make sure you're carrying a ice scraper in your car. Even here in Atlanta, you might need one for 1 or 2 days out of the year. But when you don't have it, you're going to really miss it. Fourth thing, if you have a turbo car, especially a turbo diesel, and it gets cold and may not start because sometimes they build ice inside the intercooler and blocks up the passages. So if you have a turbo diesel and it's not starting, maybe look into that. So basically just make sure you're doing your maintenance on your car for the winter to make sure everything is okay. You know, I've made a couple videos talking about how batteries tend to fail in this type of weather. So if you're having battery issues, make sure you get that checked out. Even going to AutoZone or something like that, they can test your battery right there on the spot. So that's my tips for winterizing your car. The last thing would be washer fluid. Make sure you're running a good quality windshield washer fluid. And again, this is Mike with Automotive Technical, and with some winter car tips. Thank you. And if you need something done to your car in the Atlanta area, I'm mobile and I can come to you. Thanks.